university, which is historic.
The Meghalaya government has made it clear that while there will not be any immediate load shedding in the state, unscheduled power cuts are expected in the near future due to ongoing maintenance and infrastructure upgrades. Power Minister A.T. Mondal addressed this concern on Wednesday, explaining that the state is undertaking various projects, including the renovation of substations, upgrading transmission lines and replacing power poles. The government has also approached the Power Ministry to ensure that Meghalaya benefits from these projects.
As of now, the power scenario is in a very good position. We are not planning immediately for load shedding, but as and when situation requires, we'll take a call on that. Our intention is to see that the exam season also pass off without any load shedding. But I will request all our esteemed consumers that this is the season where we can take up major repair works also, because once rainy season will come, it will be difficult to work also.